abarambuzi kurwa mimenyo tarukushana obwate nibeyongera kweshuka ha muhanda gwizoba musya ogombekirwe mu irindiro ry'inyamishwa ya Queen Elizabeth National Park mu district ya Kasese omukwetebekaniza kiro ky'oburambuzi ebirabi na mushanjo kwa mwene kumwe ebirabi nena okurukuza kuba mu district ya Kasese
ngabo kwa tusangire ikwete kahinduka bakagikora hati esemezibwe teri nkokwe kabere kara. So it is so beautiful.
I'm very much impressed with this new stuff here because we've been passing around of recent and it was as if there is no equator.
Amazing. It we tune better in kg. So ejina yoreka nguhine chamane cyoncyureho it's exciting nechamani tukagambira abanyayuganda bandi just come and check out the new equator.
Franka tukamuhabwa mutembeyi obinji bari kumanya nka kibonge wenagira ngo kweyongera kwa barambuzi kiresentasi yawe yayiyongera
kana korwa mukaga batakore mitwaro amaguru y'umutwaro nk'amutumi kandi bo kugoro kubanza korwa kasatu nakora kuba mitwaro kesatu nuko bakozere nkaba bigere kurgari kumwe kweyongera yibyo.
Pontius Enzuma oruchifu wa denabu indoro y'Inyamisho ya Queen Elizabeth National Park wenagira ngo muhanda gwizoba ogo nugwegise ibintu bingi byabeja amashomero.
And once you are on that spot there and when you are told of how the chorionic forces operate on the globe, then that's when you begin to wake up and understand the real geography. Sometimes how winds move in a particular direction, or if you shot a bullet, how it moves in one direction, it doesn't go this way.
Zamuntu investinga okudevelopinga infrastructure y'ebyoburambuzi so yatomurambuzi yatambura ashangeho products nyingi omuntu yagira ebintu bingi byo kureba naguma mu kicweka kumara kire kingi kandi buri bwakuma mwaka mara mwizoba nayongera kuspendinga.
Omugandi bwayama yako tukurekoro mwishengero wigara East ngwatangiye koze emishango ya mtirwa hari kuruga heru abo mu district ya Bushenyi basibiro kwesima mawanda kakwata bwayima yo kutekatekaho kubuzaho sente zabire zigize kibina ecyabeterene
nashemerwa munonga nyonko munyigara East ahabwamo honorable Michael Mawanda MP wanje kurangu koti yataho buringaniza yabasa kwemererwa kurugayo kandi akabasa kugaruka mu constituency yiwe
nongito tubetwi no busasi bwinji nabo mwe tubetakirya no kuri konka hati twaza kurya abo kuba kugira ngo honorable witu ba mureta bitugwe na ijarya yari tukamureba ho tukashemererwa kimwe
beferirwa munonga obuhereza bwe bucumbagire kubenturuka yabe hatisya atebe yacumbagara
abatu batwasiga bahezo kwimusya tenti zo kwetebekaniza kujaguza kurekurwa kwa mawanda
ajya buri kimwe cyona cyatambura genda distance beturitenga MP aze turi basanyifu amasanyu daradara
kandi no tubire turi aha muzikiti aha tubire tugezaho munonga utayeshara yitu yo kureba ngo ibintu bye byahwa
gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi na Sheikh Abdulatif.